I came back from the fire and the sand with shaky hands and a quiet stand. The echoes still whisper in my ear, but I found a peace that keeps me near. With a block of wood and a humble blade, I shape my fears till they start to fade. Call me Perry, the carving wizard, turning pain into a piece of cedar. By His grace I make it through knives and gouges, my healing crew. I might not sit in a church pew row, but my faith's a river, it always flows. I read the words, they light my path through every storm and aftermath. God's hand guided me through the fray, now it steadies mine every single day. Call me Perry, the carving wizard, turning scars into lines of timber. By His will I carve and pray, healing wood in my own way. The wind is howling down the lane tonight. Pumpkin faces flicker in the ghostly light. Shadows twist and crawl, they don't feel right. Knock, knock, knocking, who's out there? Is it a trick or a treat? Do I even dare? On haunted doorsteps the brave will meet. Will you get a scare or a bag of sweet? Oh, haunted doorsteps, the night's alive. Run for your life or take the dive. A ghost floats by with a hollow grin. Skeleton hands reach out, pull you in. The night's a riddle, where to begin? Knock, knock, knocking, don't look back. Behind every door there's a heart attack. On haunted doorsteps the brave will meet. Will you get a scare or a bag of sweet? Oh, haunted doorsteps, the night's alive. Run for your life or take the dive. are shaking, that's too long. Splendors in the dark feel strong. Hearts on fire, minds of stone. I carve to feel my hands are warm. Don't give up, just carve deeper. Pull the pain into the grain. Shape the hurt, make it a creature. Wood and knife will ease the strain. Shadows creeping, memories bite. Walks on, ghosts haunt the night. Grace of God found this art. Keep me whole, won't fall apart. Chisel dreams into the old. Rough hands heal the words unspoken. Don't give up, just carve deeper. Pull the pain into the grain. Shape the heart, make it a creature. Wood and knife will ease the strain.
In the dark I see a face, grinning wide with hollow grace. Eyes like wells so deep, so black, carved a soul, can't take it back. Slice and scrape, the pumpkin cries, give it teeth, watch it rise. Light it up, the flame within, meet the night with a pumpkin grin. Seeds and guts, a sticky mess, hands are stained, but I confess every cut, it whispers low, a haunted tale I'll never know. The moon hangs high, the shadows creep, this pumpkin waits, it doesn't sleep. Slice and scrape, the pumpkin cries, give it teeth, watch it rise. Light it up, the flame within, meet the night with a pumpkin grin. The banjo laughs, the piano moans, the violin shrieks a ghostly tone. The pumpkin's voice, a hollow hum, it sings, beware